Let's make some healthy and delicious stuffed paprikas. Before we start, we want to preheat our oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Start with finely dicing an onion. For the mushrooms, we want to halve them and then thinly slice them. Mince the garlic. To prepare the paprikas, we want to open up the top. Start by slicing the top of the paprikas until it separates. Now grab the top and rotate it to remove it from the bottom piece and set it aside. Clean up the bottom pieces by removing any leftover seeds. When we remove all the top parts, we can cut off the big pieces of the paprika. We don't want it to go to waste. Cut the pieces into small cubes. For the recipe, we need 2 pans. Add a bit of oil to your big pan and heat them both up. When the oil is hot, add your onion. In your second pan, you want to add your pine nuts. Keep them moving until they start turning brown. Now, when the onion is turning translucent, add the mushrooms, garlic, and the small pieces of paprika. When the paprika is getting soft, add your ground beef and start breaking it up into smaller pieces. When your pine nuts are starting to brown, take them off the heat and set them aside. When your meat is browned a little, add your tomato paste, Italian spices, salt and pepper to taste, and your pine nuts and stir everything together. Let it heat up. Now grab a paprika and fill it halfway with your meat and vegetable mixture. Add a layer of cheese and fill it up with your mixture. Finish it up with some more cheese. Put the paprikas onto a sheet pan and bake it in the oven for 15 minutes. When done, pull it out of the oven and plate them. There it is, healthy and tasty stuffed paprikas. Enjoy!